fervent petition made by the faithful of the Diocesan Shrine and Parish of Our Lady of the Abandon, do hereby promulgate and decree the declaration of the official and venerated parish image of Nuestra Señora de los Desamparados. The new image, carved from baticulin and santal wood by the esteemed sculptor Mr. Christian Roy Vicente, is a classical representation of Nuestra Señora de los Desamparados as venerated in the Real Basilica de Nuestra Señora de los Desamparados in Valencia, Spain. It stands at 7 feet in height from the base to the top of the halo. The image of the Blessed Virgin is characterized by slight forward inclination, representing her attentiveness and compassion for her forsaken children. In one hand, she holds a lily, symbolizing her purity, and with the other, she lovingly supports the child Jesus, who carries the cross in his arms, signifying the salvation he offers to the world. Let this sacred image be enthroned as the principal and venerated parish image, Imahe Venerada, and be accorded all the honor and devotion proper to a representation of the Mother of our Lord. This decree takes effect on the date of issue, given at the Chancery Office, Daang Bakal Road, Barangay de la Paz, Antipolo City, Rizal, on this 5th day of August, in the year of the Lord 2025, on the 42nd year of the creation of the Diocese of Antipolo. Signed, Roberto Cruz Santos Didi, Bishop of Antipolo. Attested by yours truly as the Chancellor.
Can I ask our sculptor, Ian Vicente, to please come forward? Can we give a big hand to our sculptor, Ian Vicente?
At ngayon po ay masasaksihan natin ang paghawi ng tabing ng ating retablo mayor na kinalalagyan ng bagong imahen ng Nuestra Señora de los Desamparados. Viva la Virgen! Viva la Virgen! ¡Viva la Virgen! ¡Viva!
Kaya namin tayo, mababa tayo dito. Ay, yung start sa akin.
Sa Panginoon, nagagalak ang ating espiritu sa ating tagapagligtas. Darat, luwang ating
Pupuri sa Panginoon.